Freshsales app. The pros, the cons. The Freshsales app is more than just a contact manager. Most people get this wrong. It's a CRM platform designed to streamline lead management, sales tracking, and customer engagement with an intuitive, all-in-one interface. On the pro side, Freshsales offers AI-based lead scoring built-in email, phone and chat, as well as automation to reduce manual work. The visual sales pipeline and customizable dashboards make tracking deals straightforward. Integration with Freshworks Suite and third-party apps like Slack, Zoom, and Google Workspace enhances workflow efficiency. Its free and affordable tiers make it accessible for small businesses, while advanced features like analytics and automation scale with growing teams. On the con side, some users find the mobile app less feature-rich than the desktop version. Advanced customization and automation may require additional learning and time to implement. Reporting tools, while solid, are less extensive compared to Salesforce or HubSpot. In conclusion, Freshsales app is ideal for small to mid-sized businesses seeking an easy-to-use, scalable CRM solution. While some advanced features require setup, its lead scoring automation and integrated communication tools make it a smart choice for improving sales efficiency and customer management.